These pint-sized key lime dessert cups have all the elements of a classic key lime pie. That citrusy custard, toasted graham crackers, and whipped cream. For the filling, it's the classic key lime pie filling flavor, using only 4 ingredients. In lieu of a pie plate, transfer the filling to ramekins. Slide them into the oven and bake for 10 minutes. For the finishing touches, top with some sweetened whipped cream and sprinkle with some graham cracker topping, as well as some lime zest for a full key lime pie taste experience. Please take a moment and subscribe to this channel. And if you're looking for more recipes for two, please check out OurTable42.